right there. On the Uncle Kimo, on the Kamalii Challenge. Holy cow! Man, this is sickening shape. Get a little bit closer. This time I get backpack no more. Fanny pack is sitting low. Alright, let's see. Right there. I don't even know what this is. Look at that, man. At least we broke the ice. They don't like this dojo. Let's just hope that's not the only one around. Another small one. Little dojo. I think we're gonna try here for a bit, and then we're gonna move down that way. We don't get anything big. Not what I'm talking about. It's already high. All right, before we go, Uncle Kimo right there. Test one over here. Uncle Kimo. Small one, but it's okay. Special Kamalii collar. Now we give 2 more casts and then we go. We move down. Okay, back to the dojo. Maybe you just cannot see the colors right now because no more sun. Well, the sun's not like out. Maybe when they see this black and the white water, they will not. If they're there. If they're there. All we can do is hope. But these waves, bro, they say hitting me right in the private area and it's sore. I believe they're swimming right over there in the reef. Oh, look at poppies. Crazy how this. Alright, while we're here, Majorcraft Triplecross, Shimano Stradic 5K. And we got the prototype from You Lures. Try to Kamalii Challenge one too. We caught one. We caught 2 in this dojo so far. But let's see if we can get something that we can measure. Oh. Took them. Just until it came off a little bit. Yeah, I might need water break. Getting tired. A little meanie. Fine. Alright, let us dojo. Welcome. I can see how this would be like the most consistent one though. Jumping jack, Look my hook there. Alright, we're gonna try out here again before I hele on because my arm's sore and I don't know, I trust this spot a lot. The girded fish that I caught was on this one little pocket, so there's a bite right there. Oh, there. It's not big. Oh, I mean with this prototype dojo from You Lures, it's shouldn't be surprised. It's very consistent. It's You Lures, but the shape is mean. I already love it. Can you imagine when moist season comes around again? It's gonna be crazy. I mean, I don't know. At least I think so. I think this would be better like with a egg lead. You go off the reefs. And we bubble floating right now. Oh, there we go. We're bubble floating right now, because guarantee if we'd egg led, you know, we would get stuck. But look at this. Even the Moana Kali's, not Moana Kali, crazy. Moana, just a regular Moano. Like the you lure, look them. Thing's all chewed up. I only get one more or two. Look. This beautiful fish. Okay, Matt, safe to say this thing worked. If this was any bigger, I probably would take him home and bake him, but I get to go home. Okay, well, I only get one more, which might be very fitting. And now I'm gonna have to ask Matt from Yayu Lures to see if he can make some more, because this thing is mean. And there's really only one way to get it in there, right there. I love this little spot. It's not too far from the car. You know, it's a good beginner spot for bubble floating, honestly, because there's a pocket right here where all the fish can come in. There we go. Right, I think it hit him so hard. I thought it was a big one. Little puppy there. There you are. Dojo. Get all tangled. Okay, very good. Untangled. Still get the one Dojo. Okay. Before we leave, we're gonna try to fan all this. See if anyone is home. Took the tail. Oh no. Alright. Back to Uncle Kimo's Kamalii Challenge. Oh, that gold flash is gonna pop now. Alright. Come on. Oh, on the Uncle Kimo. On the Kamalii Challenge. Holy cow! Look at this freaking thing! What the fuck? Oh! Look at this rockfish! No way, brother. We gotta go bring this in. We gotta bring this in. This is mental. I've never seen a rockfish this big. Holy cow. Look at this thing. Look at this monster. Kamalii Challenge strip right there. My goodness. Oh, can I take a picture of this? See if Ethel will answer. Look at this thing.
That's huge.
Look at that.
Take a picture of it. That's big.
Holy cow. Okay, I just want to show you. Say hi. Give away. Goody up. Look at this thing. Wow. That's my foot. Look at that thing. Looking largemouth bass. Mantle fish. Crazy. Strong fish. That is nuts. Yeah, Uncle Kimo. Think he work? Bugger work.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying.
Yeah. Good, you know, I'll call you. Not right now. Major. Wow, that was crazy. I've never caught a pole paw that big. Got him on this Yayu lure. Limited color for the Kamalii Challenge. That's crazy. Now we know that the thing works. Imagine catching another one. Can you imagine that? I don't know, if I catch another one, I might have to bring one to Nana and Tata's house so they can make soup. So now arm is sore. I'm not conditioned for this kind of stuff anymore. Right on, we got to test the. This is just the prototype. This is not the real color. I get the real one too, so I might have to actually use it. So maybe we go try do them tomorrow. I don't know yet. I never decide. But yeah, your lure's getting it done. With the Majorcraft Triplecross, Shimano Stradic, 5K, and the braid. The braid is 20 pound X8, whatever it's called, Beyond braid. I mean, I like this braid, and then I get one discount code for 10% off if you guys like the extra Kamalii, you know. If this braid is good, I mean, for one budget braid. Handles really well. I used it all year last year. I used it for akuli fishing too. But yeah, I'll check you guys out later.